Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok video view history, and here's how it is done. Let us check your TikTok video view history. If you are scrolling through the app and want to revisit videos you watched earlier today, yesterday, or even last week, I will show you how to do it. Now let us open the TikTok app. The easiest way to find videos you have recently watched is to swipe down while you are still in the app during the same session. You can scroll back through all the videos you have viewed in this session. However, if you have closed the app or it is another day, you will need a different method. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. From here, go to Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Here, you will find your watch history under Screen Time. You can view all the videos you have watched today, or you can filter by date, yesterday, last week, or even last month. Just select the date range, hit apply, and you will see every video you have viewed. You can rewatch, save, like, or comment on any of those videos. That is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok video view history. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.